Or ITJungles.
Calling it Jungles.
How to stop or prevent Siri from making calls directly on the lock screen, even when the phone is not unlocked. And here, what we can do is go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter in the current screen passcode. Then we scroll down and turn off voice dial. Because of voice dial features, this will allow Siri to make calls on the lock screen even when your phone is locked. It can be a security feature because that means that anyone take hold of your phone can make the call. Okay, so now it is turned off. If we go to the lock screen and test it, call ITJungles.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Now I said that I need to unlock my phone first before I can make a call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.